When you think about Cinderella, what's the first thing you think of? Her shoes, right? Remember the glass slipper that she left behind that led her prince to finding her? Okay, I may be getting carried away here, but this seems like the perfect opening to a video about wedding shoes. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Nayri, and I am the wedding fashion expert and author of the best-selling book, I'm Getting Married and Have Nothing to Wear. My goal on a daily basis is to touch lives and help women look and feel confident on one of the most important days of their life. I have helped thousands of brides find their dream dress, and now I'm here to help you find yours. Welcome to the Wedding Fashion Expert video series. Join me weekly as I unveil a new wedding fashion secret for your big day. Now that you have found your perfect wedding dress, it's time to find the perfect wedding shoe. The wedding shoe can be extremely fun, and it can also be extremely challenging because when you're shopping for a shoe, you don't know what the designers are going to be releasing that season. Essentially, you're at the mercy of what's available on the market and being able to find that shoe in your size. One thing that happens often that you should be aware of is that a lot of designers these days are making shoes with crystals and beautiful embellishments. What they haven't really considered is that most crystals and rhinestones have prongs, which get caught on your dress. If you're going with an embellished shoe, I highly recommend making sure that there are no crystals with prongs on them. That way the prongs won't snag on the dress or any of the layers and cause you to trip. In a nutshell, avoid shoes that may potentially be a nuisance either because of the prongs or texture that may possibly get caught to the dress. Brides often ask me if they should go with a white or a colored shoe. Now that's completely personal. It's up to you. My favorite thing for a wedding shoe is actually something super simple, a nude pattern, something very clean that when you actually take a step and if your foot were to peek out, it wouldn't be that noticeable. On the other hand, I also love something that's fully embellished and sparkles, so when it does peek out, it makes a statement. I'm on both sides of the spectrum on this, and at the end of the day, it's your personal decision. My best advice, pick a shoe that's comfortable. No one shoe is going to be able to last you all night, unless you are extremely brave and can handle it. I usually recommend to have a few backup shoes on hand. It's important that all your shoes have the same heel height because that heel height determines the length of your gown at the time of your alterations. If you can't handle the same heel height all night, consider a lower heel for that day or doing a platform that maintains the same height all the way through. So your foot's actually flat. This way your height is in the respective heel height of your original shoe. Backup shoes are a must-have. For more great tips, tune into my weekly Wedding Fashion Expert video series. Subscribe today and share it with another bride-to-be. Thanks for watching.